Let's say the author of some posts on your site no longer works with you, but you have the necessary permissions to display his work under another author's name. Then, you need to find all the posts created by that person and reassign them all. To do this, you would normally have to edit the posts individually, which is a tedious and time-consuming process. Fortunately, in this video, we'll show you how to filter your posts by author and reassign them all at once using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin creates an intuitive spreadsheet within WordPress where you can view, edit, do advanced searches, import and export posts, pages, or custom post types from Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. Let's learn how to filter our posts by author. For example, we'll search for all posts whose author was Matthew Jones. For this, open the search tool. Now just select the author's name here. In this case, will be Matthew Jones. And run the search. Now all posts whose author was Matthew Jones will be filtered and showed on the spreadsheet. Once the posts have been filtered, we need to assign a new author to those posts. To do this, we'll open the bulk edit tool. Then select the rows that you want to edit. The field we'll select will be author. Choose the set value option. Here, you need to enter the new author's name. Finally, execute and the selected posts will be updated. As you can see, you can easily filter all posts of a specific author and assign them to another one in bulk with the WordPress sheet editor, saving a lot of time without having to open many tabs to do so. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.